Good morning, dear students. Open your grammar textbook, page number 34, lesson number 9, prepositions. Now, what is preposition? In this word only, one meaning is there. P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N, position. Yes? So, whenever the word which shows the position of something, that is called preposition. For better explanation, few examples are there with a picture. Rita's balloon is above her head. Now her balloon is under the table. Now her balloon is on the chair. Now her balloon is behind her back. Now her balloon is in the box. Now her balloon is in front of her. Now her balloon is near the basket. And now her balloon is between the box and the chair. Now in above sentences, the words above, under, on, behind, in front of, near, between are the words which tell us about the position of something or someone in relation to the another. These words are called preposition. Yes, which show the position of something. Yes, that is called preposition. They usually have a noun or pronoun after them. Now look here. Her balloon is under the table. So the table is what? Noun. And it is before table, before noun, preposition is there. The dog ran after her. This is pronoun. Okay. And before that, preposition is there after. So usually preposition is before noun or pronoun. Okay. Now move to page number 35. Read the following sentences. He sat beside her. We all looked at her. She came with me. She reached her here before me. She lives near me. The dog walked behind her. The dog ran after her. This letter is from her. The stars are above us. There is a wall round it. In the sentences, the prepositions beside, at, with, before, near, behind, after, from, above and round are used with pronouns. These are all what? Pronouns. Her, me, us. Yes, this we have learned in last lesson, pronoun. It. So it is used before the pronouns. So a preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation in which the person or thing denoted by the noun stands to something else. Yes. So this is also what? Pronoun. This is also all are what? Preposition. Yes. Which shows the relation between now, yes, the person, that is noun and pronoun. He sat beside her, between the things and the noun. So it is so simple to understand that one more time I am repeating that definition. Preposition is the word which shows the position of something or a relation between one person or thing to the other person or thing. Yes, that is called preposition. Now, preposition tell us where a thing is. They tell us the direction of a thing and they also tell us the time. Now here, 3 sentences are there which shows the preposition of place, preposition of direction and preposition of time. The book is on the table. Yes, it shows place. Yes, on. Tom is going from his house to the park. Now from and to both are the preposition. This shows the direction. Yes, from his house to the park. His birthday party is on Friday at 4 p.m. So on and at both are preposition. Yes, this shows the time. On Friday and at 4 p.m. Yes. In the following sentences, the word in color tell us how one thing stands in regard to another. Such words are also called preposition. Number 1. She is fond of dolls. Let us go for a walk. Mohan is not at home. The dog ran across the field. Calcutta is on the Hooghly. The moon shines at night. She went to the bazaar. He went towards the post office. The thief jumped through the window. She put a rupee in my hand. So these all words in a blue ink. Yes, of, for, at, across, on, at, to, towards, through, in. These all are what? Preposition. Yes. Now